Google just released 10 free AI courses. Get free certificates, so enroll now. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you want to learn artificial intelligence, AI, ChatGPT, generative AI, or the most in-demand skills of the future, then today's video is just for you. Google has officially released 10 amazing AI courses completely free for students, freelancers, professionals, and job seekers around the world. The best part? Many of these courses also offer free certificates after completion. In this video, I'll explain what these AI courses are, what you learn, who can apply, how to earn a free certificate, and finally, how to enroll step by step. So, make sure you watch this video until the end. Why are these Google AI courses important? Artificial intelligence is transforming every industry across the world. Whether you are a student, a freelancer, a software developer, a digital marketer, a business owner, or someone looking to upgrade your skills, learning AI can open new career opportunities and help you stay ahead in today's competitive job market. That's exactly why Google has launched these free AI courses to help everyone learn modern AI technologies from industry experts. What will you learn? These courses cover a wide range of AI topics, including 𝗬𝗍 Introduction to Generative AI, 𝗬𝗍 How Large Language Models, LLMs, Work, 𝗬𝗍 Prompt Engineering, 𝗬𝗍 Responsible AI, 𝗬𝗍 AI Image Generation, 𝗬𝗍 Building AI Applications, 𝗬𝗍 Machine Learning Fundamentals, 𝗬𝗍 Google Cloud AI Tools, 𝗬𝗍 Deploying AI Models, 𝗬𝗍 Real-World AI Projects. Whether you are a complete beginner or already have experience, there's something valuable for everyone. Benefits of these courses. Let's talk about why these courses are worth taking. 1. Learn from Google experts. These courses are designed and taught by Google's AI professionals, ensuring you receive high-quality and up-to-date knowledge. 2. Hands-on labs and projects. You'll gain practical experience through interactive labs and real-world projects instead of just watching lectures. 3. Self-paced learning. No deadlines and no pressure. You can learn anytime, anywhere, at your own pace. 4. Career growth. AI skills are among the most in-demand skills today. Adding these certifications to your resume or LinkedIn profile can improve your chances of landing better jobs or freelance projects. 5. Free certificates. Many of these courses provide certificates that you can add to your LinkedIn profile, include in your CV or resume, showcase to employers and clients. Who can apply? These courses are open to everyone, including 𝗪𝗍 students, 𝗪𝗍 beginners, 𝗪𝗍 freelancers, 𝗪𝗍 software developers, 𝗪𝗍 teachers, 𝗪𝗍 data analysts, 𝗪𝗍 professionals, 𝗪𝗍 anyone interested in learning AI. People from almost every country can enroll in these courses. How to enroll? The enrollment process is very simple. 1. Click the link in the video description. 2. Choose the AI course you are interested in. 3. Sign in using your Google account. 4. Click the Enroll button. 5. Start learning immediately. Final thoughts. If you are serious about building a successful career in artificial intelligence, this is an opportunity you shouldn't miss. These courses are completely free, created by Google, self-paced, practical and beginner-friendly, offer free certificates for many courses. Don't wait, start learning today and invest in your future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos on scholarships, free online courses, AI, technology, and career opportunities. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.